Hi, welcome to 3D Animation API. I'm Autodesk Maya online class teacher. Today we are going to see how can we use subcurves that comes from switching on partial option in surface extrude tool. Okay, let's start. Go to create polygon primitives, helix in rotation X, put 90 degrees. Under inputs, coils 2.4, height 40, width is 5 and radius 0.1, subdivisions 4, coil 40, caps is 0. Go to edge mode, select the edges and modify, convert polygon address to curve, rename it as trajectory, select the helix and hide it. We have extracted the curve from the mesh. Now create type. We are going to create a font in caps, type IRCTC, font be Rockwell. We don't need the mesh portion, we need only the curves. So press create curves from type. Delete the type mesh in the outliner. We need only the curves. You can see the curves are being created. Scale it down to 0.1 uniformly. You can rename this as loop IRCTC. Now select the curves, go to surfaces, reverse direction, select the trajectory, surfaces, reverse direction. Now you select the letter curves, finally trajectory, and apply surfaces extrude. Edit reset settings and path component partial polygon should be on, control point should be on, extrude. Now you got it. Now go to select the meshes, apply fill hole. You have seen the holes are filled. Now go in outliner, switch off the DAG. We are seeing subcurves, set of subcurves. Select only the even number subcurves 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Now go to animation module, key, set driven key, settings. Select the subcurves, select the max value. Now go to trajectory, load in the driver. We have to create an attribute for trajectory. In the attribute editor of trajectory, add attributes, type mesh grow, highest value is 0, lowest value is 0, highest value is 30, add. Double click on the trajectory in the central key, select mesh grow. Now this is the equation. Subcurves.max is equal to 0.001 is equal to trajectory mesh grow is equal to 0, and the highest value of the subcurves is equal to highest value of the mesh grow. Now we'll implement the same thing. Mesh grow, type max value is 0.001 when the trajectory is now in 0. So let's select the max value, key, go to trajectory, put the highest value is 30, Come to subcurves, put the highest value which is 1, say key. Now go to Windows, Animation Editors, Graph Editor, 1. Now we have got the attribute for animation. This is the effect we wanted. See, from 0.001 of extrusion to the 1, this we are able to achieve through the partial option in the surface extrude. Okay, now let's apply shader. Before that, let's bring the disk and keep it on the top of the IRCTC file. Now you can little rotate the IRCTC in rotation Z to 5. Now go to Hyper Shader, create Arnold shader surface, standard surface. Let this be 1, and this is red color, weight be 1. Select the meshes, assign material to selection, create a light, area light. In the attribute edit for the light, switch off the normalize. Now go to render. You can see it can be animated like this. So this is the effect we wanted. It's rendering. You can keyframe this. If you go to settings, preferences, and switch on the range slider and time slider, you can keyframe this from 1 to 50 or 1 to 100 frames. You can just slide and see. Okay guys, that's it for today. You can visit my website 3danimationignia.com to know more about my classes, online classes, and YouTube links of my works. Please subscribe my channel to see more videos on Maya software. Thanks for being with me. Cheers.